Alrighty, guys. Yes, it was a waste of time, but I did have a little fun. Okay, look at this Honda, guys. And a handicap. There's a Nissan. Where you at, Fluff Dog? Uh, hey, Ram 1500. Trying to see what everybody drive. Oh, Dodge Grand Caravan. Yes, good, nice, good family vehicle right there, guys. You got a family? Get you one of these. All right. Hey, that's the lowrider Nissan. I got one of those, Fluff Dog. Mine's got the bow-legged tires on it too. In fact, it's a scrap truck, but it's still a good truck. I love my Nissan. Look at that pulling up right there. Is that Cadillac? Y'all know I can't. I've been in the bubble too long. Ooh, I hear a ticking noise. Can you say? Oh, it's a Buick and Claire. Oh, it's ticking, guys. I thought Buicks don't tick. Wait a minute. Look at that Ram 1500 right there. I love it. What they got over here, guys? Let's go be nosy. Hey, look at that little white car right there. What is that? Anybody want to take a shot at that? See, it's all the salvage stuff. Look at that Grand Cherokee right there, that white one. You know what's in there? A 4-liter, baby. Inline 6. See, this is the stuff that comes to this place. Now, I'm going to tell you how the process. JT, I'm at S&W, as you can see. You pull, you save. I come out here trying to get a tip for my '09 Caravan. My brake lights don't work. I know why. I've done the diagnosis. The drivers to the brake lights is inside the freaking tipper. Yes, they put way too much responsibility on that tipper. But guys, I'm leaving, and I decided to stop over here to try to analyze the process, how this thing works. So, in the event you wreck your car, police enter the scene, the accident scene. They gotta have somewhere to tow your car, right? Now, S&W has a towing service as well. All right, yes, a huge one. They cover the whole complete Metro Atlanta area to some degree. All right, and then what they do is they send somebody out. All right, here she comes. I don't know what she wants, so let me find out. See you. Oh, she nice. What was I before I was so rudely interrupted? Oh, the process. So you have a wreck. Of course, first thing people are gonna call is 911, right? 911 is gonna dispatch a police to the accident scene. All right, the car is undrivable anymore. All right, so you can't drive it, so it can't stay down the road. It's got to go somewhere, right? Where does it go? Usually it end up here, places like this. Now, sometimes the insurance adjusters will come out here and do an appraisal or do a damage assessment, all of that good stuff, okay? But sometimes they won't. Sometimes people's cars are so old and there's no work to them, they don't even give a damn no more. At that point, S&W just set it down for a good, I don't know, 30, 40 days abandonment, file for an abandonment title. From there, it ends up on the yard and gets sold for the goods. All right, I hope I covered that, nailed that. I'm sure I didn't. Somebody want to reiterate what I just said, because I'm sure I left out a lot of stuff. Interesting, man. Look at this. How much time I got? This Grand Cherokee, it's a 4-liter. I can't pop the hood. She just came out here. I thought she was finna talk smack. Y'all know me. Look at this little car right here. When you wreck something this small, it's automatic total. Ooh, what happened to the BMW? Oh no. Alright guys, I can't mess around out here all day. Oh, yes. Oh, that one look like it flipped upside down. Oh no. The BMW. Wonder did the driver survive? Oh, that's bad. Alright, I have to go. I just figured out that's not a Chrysler Caravan. No, it's not. Airbags deployed. Good thing. Hopefully it saves somebody's life. But yeah, that's the process, guys. Semi-process. I'm sure I left a whole bunch of stuff out, and I'm sure y'all would tell me. So I don't want this video to be long. I got to get out of here. I wasted a lot of time. Too much time, actually. But what happened to that F-150? Ooh, that looked like that flipped upside down. It's always fascinating to look at wrecked cars, guys. First and foremost, you want to be concerned with if the driver survived it. After that, then, go up to it and appraise it, look at it. I don't want to look at him and find blood. Yeah, see, if I see blood like that, I might get what's the word I'm looking for? Y'all know what little word I'm looking for. But anyway, guys, I got to go. Let me take me a thumbnail picture and I'm going to get out of here. It's the process of how it works when you have a wreck your car. This is usually what it ends up. All right, thanks for watching. Alrighty guys, this is my Chrysler, my Caravan. Alright, I ain't got no brake lights, guys. I am so tired of people reminding me of pulling up the side of me and telling me I have no brake lights. I need to tip them. Y'all see these fault codes right here? Yes guys, I've already previously diagnosed this and it's leading me directly to the drivers inside to tip them. Remember, this tip them have multiple responsibilities, alright? And brake lights is one of them. But you know what? I can't afford a new one, or at least I don't want to pay for a new one. So y'all know where I'm going? Pull apart, man. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I'm here, man. I saw 2 police officers behind me on the way here. I do not want to get pulled over for no brake lights at all. Guys, this is a short video, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna try to fix this while I'm here. Got enough tools just to get the job done. All right, I don't want to drive home without brake lights and get pulled over. So this is a short video. Y'all stay tuned for the full video. Real quick, guys, I am at S&W, the salvage yard. Guys, I want to show y'all something. Y'all remember that video I did with the suspension part that insurance company be bringing y'all? This is what they sometimes they'll do. Okay, they'll come out here, like I said, I'm at the salvage yard. All these cars have either been wrecked, totaled, or damaged beyond repair. So they'll end up out here. The goal is for them to sell parts off of it to make money. I get that, okay? Look at that. That's a power steering. That's electric power steering rack, meaning the module is built onto the rack and pinion. So there's no more power steering pump, belt, anything like that. But look, so that one 1500 that I put on that video, yeah, they needed a whole side. It's like the guy, the insurance adjuster came out here and was like, there go one, let me get that. Now that's not funny, guys, because a lot of y'all took that serious. A lot of y'all was upset with me because I won't tell y'all who the name of the insurance company is. I don't know. And the title of the video was, I'm not a snitch. And y'all expect me to snitch out the insurance company? Oh my goodness, real quick, guys, this is a Challenger, Dodge Challenger. I want to show, somebody was asking me about draining the oil on the cooler, the oil cooler. Y'all know all the 6.2 supercharged Hellcat trim engines or setup. It's a Challenger. Will include a oil cooler, all right? Yes, oil cooler is right above the oil filter, of course. It's gonna have 2 lines running out in front of the bumper. See, the bumper is off of this one, so it's very visible on this one. All right, yes, take you a 1/2 inch, look like, drain the oil out. When you're doing an oil change, yes, reach up under the cowl and drain the oil out of here as well. They do this at the dealer as well. So you want all the old oil out because that oil is basically circulating. All right, it's headed to an oil cooler. Looks similar to a trans cooler, all right, radiator, what have you. But yeah, let's get the oil out of there as well. This is 6.2 supercharged Hellcat trim engine, very powerful. All right, thanks for watching.